Hi everyone. Season 7 is a dark emotional journey. The Sister's Burden. It begins 1 second after season 6 ended. Deborah is standing in the church looking at Dexter and the dead body of Travis Marshall. Dexter tries to lie. He says it was self-defense. But Deborah is a smart detective. She doesn't believe him. Eventually, Dexter tells her the truth. I'm a serial killer. This is what I do. Deborah is devastated. She's a woman of the law, but Dexter is her brother. She decides not to arrest him, but she tries to cure him. She makes him move into her apartment so she can watch him 24 hours a day. This is a nightmare for Dexter. He feels like a bird in a cage. This season shows the incredible acting of Jennifer Carpenter, Deborah, as we see her slowly lose her mind because of Dexter's secrets. While this is happening, a new character enters, Hannah McKay. Hannah was a tiny teenager when she went on a killing spree with her boyfriend. Now she is a beautiful woman who grows flowers. Dexter is supposed to kill her because she is a murderer, but something happens. He feels a connection to her that he never felt with Rita or Lumen. Hannah doesn't judge him. She loves the monster. Dexter falls in love with her, which makes Deborah very angry and jealous. There is also a threat from the outside. A leader of the Ukrainian mob, Isaac Sirko, is hunting Dexter because Dexter killed one of his men. Isaac is a very sophisticated and dangerous villain. He and Dexter have some great conversations about life and death. Isaac is one of the few villains who actually respects Dexter. But real danger is a Maria LaGuerta, the boss of the police department. She finds a bloodslide at the church where Travis Marshall died. She starts to think that Sergeant Dawes was innocent and that Dexter is the real Bar Harbor butcher. She is very close to catching him. She even arrests him. But Dexter manages to escape because he is too clever. The season ends in a shipping container. Dexter has LaGuerta trapped. He knows he has to kill her to survive. But Deborah arrives. She is crying, pointing her gun at Dexter. Dexter tells her, do what you have to do, but puts me down. But Deborah cannot lose her brother. Instead of shooting the killer, she shoots the innocent person. She kills LaGuerta to protect Dexter. This is the moment Deborah's soul dies. She chooses her brother over justice, and she will never be the same again.